Hello and welcome. So, you're given three matrices here. We're given C, W, and A, and we want to find what the product of A and W is. So, before you do anything, okay, your first goal is to figure out, can this product even exist, right? So when we're looking at this one, I'd say, all right, so let's find the dimensions of each of these matrices. Remember, it goes row by column, so we have 2 rows and 3 columns. This is a 2 by 3 matrix. We have 3 rows, 2 columns, which means we have a 3 by 2 matrix. Last but not least, again, we have another 2 by 3 matrix. So if we're finding the product of A times W, that means we'll have a 2 by 3, multiplied with W, which is a 3 by 2. And how we determine whether this product even exists is we look at the two numbers that are essentially in the middle, right? Do they match? Are they the same number? Yes, they're both 3's. And then your resulting matrix will be the numbers on the outside, so we'll have a 2 by 2 matrix when we finish the product. Okay? If those numbers don't match, then immediately box the matrix doesn't exist, move on with your life. Okay? And immediately, because now we know it's a 2 by 2 matrix, that's not correct, that's not correct, that's not correct. And the answer choice is either going to be the second or third of our two products. Now, do we have to do the entire product? No, you'll notice that the first entries aren't even the same, so you don't have to calculate the entire product in order to finish this out. Alright, so how do we do the product? Well, first off, let's write our matrices. A comes first, and our A matrix is 1, -1, 2, -6, 0, -3. Okay, and then we write our W, which is going to be -6, -1, -4, 2, 7, 0. Okay, now in order to multiply any matrices together, you remember that it has to go row by column. Row by column, row by column. So we do first row, first column, and that will be the first entry, right, of our 2 by 2 matrix. That'll be entry number 1. Okay, so all we do is we match the first with the first. So we have 1 times -6, which is -6, plus your second times the second. -1 times 4, 4, plus the third times the third, which is 2 times 7, which is 14. And then you just add those all together, and that's your first entry. So that means we have -6 plus 4, -2 plus 14. That means you have a first entry of 12, and now you know the answer and you're done. Okay, you could continue calculating the rest if you wanted to, right? So if we want to go to the next entry, that'd be first row, second column. So then you multiply 1 to -1, that'd be -1, right? -1 to -2, 2 to 0. So your next entry will be -3, which matches what it should be. Okay, and then you repeat the same process for the next one. So second row, first column. So -6 times -6, 36. 0 times -4, 0, right? -3 times 7 minus 21, which gives us 15 as our next number. And then do the same thing, second row, second column. So -6 times -1, 6, 0 times 2, 0, 0 times 3, 0 times -3, 0, so 6 is the answer. And you'll notice all 4 entries match, and you're good to go. Now, that's as crazy as it gets. It's really a matter of make sure you know what the product is. You don't have to multiply the entire matrix out. You can if you want to, right? But you don't have to. But that's as crazy as it gets. Thanks for watching.